Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert Excel files to Google Sheets. And here's how it's done. Whether you are collaborating online or just prefer cloud-based storage, moving your data to Google Sheets can be really useful. Here's how it works. 1. Open Google Drive. 2. Click the New button in the top left corner, then select Google Sheets. 3. In the new blank sheet, go to the top menu and click File. Import. 4. In the Import File window, choose the Upload tab or select a file from your drive. 5. Click Browse, then find and select your Excel file from your computer. 6. After selecting the file, choose Replace Spreadsheet from the drop-down menu. Then click Import Data. Google Sheets will automatically convert your Excel file into its own format. Once it loads, you can review the sheet. Sometimes you might need to make small adjustments. And that's everything you need to know about how to convert Excel files to Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.